doesn't matter how many kgs you weigh, it is all possible to lose weight naturally. I lost 23 kgs last year, and today I am sharing with you how I started my journey. And I did not go on a crazy diet. I did not do the workout. It was all about what I ate. And let me tell you, my friend, don't focus on changing everything and at a go. No, just do it one at a go. And this drink I did for 7 days, and it works wonders. It is a smoothie that will work wonders in your body, in your life. And the good thing is that you know it is natural, it is helpful, it is healing you, and it is all you who have made it. So the preparation, it is just you who knows what you are putting in your body. How beautiful is that, knowing what exactly you are putting in your body. Let me show you the ingredients and how to make this smoothie, because it is very simple. And number one, if you want to lose weight, let me tell you, your mornings are very important. Reset your mornings. How you start your morning is key. And you know how my morning was looking like? I would have a cup of African tea and brown bread, and I would say, this is healthy. I am taking brown bread, not white bread, and it is only 3 slices, and I am having peanut butter, and peanut butter is healthy. Let me tell you, my morning, and I was still keeping on adding weight and gaining weight despite eating things that I thought that were healthy. So today I'm going to share with you one of the key things that helped me in the morning, and this worked wonders. And this was very simple, and ingredients are very simple. Those things that you can just get outside, just outside. It doesn't have to be expensive. Living healthy has to be very expensive. It doesn't have to be expensive. Eat what is there. Just hapo tu kwa mlango yako. And what did I do? I reset my morning with the green smoothie. These are the ingredients for this smoothie. Very, very simple. And these ingredients are ingredients that you can just get outside your door, in the market. Are you in Africa? Are you in Asia? Wherever you are, these are ingredients that you don't have to Google to know which one is which. And these are very simple. You will need the cucumber, the celery, ginger, lemon, mint, and then water. Blend it together and then drink every morning for 7 days. This will work wonders. A big shout out to our sponsor today, the Diaspora Insurance. I know as we take care of our bodies, we want to be healthy and strong and live long, but even as we live long, death is inevitable. These things do happen, and it happens to human beings. So for more information, to get to know more about Diaspora Insurance, just visit their website or the numbers on your screen, and someone on the other side will give you more information about the product, and especially if you come from African community. God bless you. My name is Winnie. I am a health coach. See you on the next one.